Today we are tackling the mystery. Why? Why my hair? I am coming through with a brand new brand, okay? Somebody I've never done anything for. I'm super excited about being introduced to them. I hope you guys enjoy this. This is Why My Hair and their 360 Invisastrap wig. Let's get on into it.
You and I know you ain't about that life.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Intisar Eleanor. I'm getting ready for happy hour. We got some time, so I'm about to lay down a Mimi Tatton wig from Why My Hair, which is a fantastic name. So you meet yourself when you seek beauty, okay? Because you ugly hoes, I don't know who y'all think y'all are. That was me, because I don't think nobody is ugly. I don't even really like that word. But we are back with a unit from Why My Hair, a great name for a store. This is my first time trying this unit, okay? And I'm super excited about this. This is a 26-inch. This is a 26-inch invisible strap, okay? 4C kinky curly edge unit. She's a 360 wig, so we're going to be able to throw her up in a ponytail. Okay, so we're back with Why My Hair. This is a 26-inch 360 water wave unit. She's not really giving 26 inches right now. She's looking like 24 inch out the pack, but the hair is very, very, very soft. Again, this is a water wave wig. Okay, let's get into the cap construction. This is a 13x6 Invisastrap wig. So then you get into the unit, you can see all of that beautiful frontal, the kinky curly edges, okay? Just to give you a little more of a natural install. She comes with an adjustable band, which we love. Also, Invisistraps. That's these like invisible plastic straps, okay? That we love so much. 2 combs on the side, all right, of the dome cap. 1 comb in the back. And also look at the lace in the back, guys. We really want to make sure we have like a seamless up-down moment. And they're kind of making sure we have that. So I am going to get this unit together. I'm going to shut my Mimi Tatton mouth. We're going to throw her on our head. And we're going to see what she's working with. This is our first time trying Why My Hair. And we need to figure out why my hair. Okay, why my hair? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? All right, my loves, let's dig on into a few goodies we received from Why My Hair. We received this wig bag that the unit came in, as well as some of the ear tabs and a cap. We also received a lace band as well as an edge brush. So I'm just going to go on ahead and throw this unit up on my head. This is a 360 HD lace wig, okay? She does come with 4C edges. I'm using my Janet Isha spray to get this unit together. I have a burn on the side, which is why I'm wincing. I cannot believe it. So I'm just going on through and laying this unit right on down. I really want a seamless install because I'm hitting the Mimi Tatton Las Vegas streets, and I want this wig to stay up on my Mimi Tatton head. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? So 2 sprays of the Janet Isha spray, go through and just let her dry up a bit. Then I'm going to go through and kind of just push the lace into my skin. Okay, so I did use an alcohol wipe to get the excess makeup off because I don't want any makeup buildup on that lace. So for 24 inches with a water wave with 4C edges and 180% density, this unit is retailing for around $345. There are coupons that you can use to get this price down. I'm going to make sure that I leave them in the description box below so you all can take advantage of that, because I'm kind of feeling Why My Hair. I would love to try a different type of unit, but I'm kind of feeling Why My Hair. And furthermore, I'm kind of into 4C edges, if I'm being honest. So I'm going on through. This unit does come in other wig textures, like straight, body wave, jerry curl, deep wave, water wave. It is a 360 HD lace. She's 100% human hair, okay? And they specify on their site that this wig is made from one donor, which I also kind of love, because I think I mean, I don't know. Can I tell? It's an upgraded Swiss HD lace that's invisible and undetectable. And again, this unit comes between 14 inches and 28 inches. And I have her in 24 at 180% density. So I'm going to get on through this. I'm going to give you guys several looks because you all absolutely positively deserve. I'm not going to say much else. This unit is unbelievably big hip friendly. I didn't experience a lot of tangling and or shedding. I was actually rather impressed with that as well as the Made Me Tap lace. So I'm just going through trying to figure out exactly how we're going to style her first. The first way we're going to get into this unit is a side part. When I get me some big curly hair, baby, I want the effortless side part. Throw it, you know, in a circle. That's what it's given. Like, oh, I don't got nothing else to do. I'm going to just flip my hair and go. That's the look I'm going for. But guess what we got? 4C edges. And instead of me ignoring them like I always do, okay, shout out to Funky Diva, I am going to actually go on through and curl these and get these edges together. Okay, that's not normally my thing, but I'm getting them together this time around because why not? You know what I mean? We have 4C edges. Let's play with them a little bit. So I'm going on through. I chopped them up. I'm just using a bit of my Janet Isha spray to really make sure that these edges are laid. I want more of a dramatic, big, fluffy, dramatic edge today, and that's only because I have big, fluffy hair today. So I'm going on through. I have my thin, very thin flat irons that are helping me curl these out, as well as the edge brush that was provided to us. And I'm just going through and making sure we get what we are looking for. So this unit really, really is stunning again. I kind of love the 4C edges. It really, at first, wasn't something that I was like really into, but I get why people like them, especially if you want to have fun with the fluffy edge. So this is the final look. I gave you this style dry as well as wet, really so you guys could see just what the curls are looking like when they are super duper juicy. So from here, we're going to move into a half up, half down look, okay? I really am feeling this unit. The texture of the hair is absolutely beautiful. I'm just using a little bit of my Mielle mousse on the side just to make sure that those curls are defined, and I'll leave that in my Amazon shop as well below. I'm going to get into styling this unit up in the half up, half down, as well as a top knot, and I'm gonna see you all on the other side. Okay, so let's talk about it. This is the unit all done and all up. This unit at 26 inches for 180% density. Ooh, is that right? Oh, okay, let's talk about it. Let's stick on in. I'm feeling like Betty Boop, okay? I'm feeling like I'm giving like a good vibe right now. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back. Okay, they gave us our own little kitchen to work with. All right, I'm really kind of feeling this unit. At first, I was a little bit, I'm not too fond of the lace. It's a little hard to me. I like a softer lace because when you have a softer lace, it just makes it easier to lay, even though this looks really, really good. It makes a difference. But sometimes when you're pulling and tugging, it pulls the hairs out. So maybe that's why it's not as soft as I would like it to be. The hair is stunning. The hair is beautiful. I have her pulled up right now in a pony so you guys can see. I'm going to take her down. I'm going to happy hour. I kind of just like to wear my hair down. It's just me and my vibe or whatever the case may be. This unit from YMY Hair, this is my first time trying YMY Hair. I would love to try YMY Hair again. I want to do something straight because that's when I'll get a better idea of how good the hair is. But this unit is better than I thought it was going to be. When I first put her on, I was given, you know what I mean? Rick James, bitch. That really wasn't the vibe that I was trying to go for. And I just, with a little bit love, sex, and magic, we elevated right on up to Betty Boop. And I'm kind of here for that. I'm here for that. Like, I can't be upset about that at all. I think this unit is very pretty. I did put on a white shirt. Just wanted to show you guys like really the contrast and everything with the hair. How stunningly beautiful she is. She's so soft. She didn't shed much. She didn't tangle much. And I've been throwing her up and throwing her down and whatever the case may be. She's really kind of kept her constitution, which I can appreciate. I must say, I've done another 360 unit that was curly and everything like that. I don't know why though. I don't know if I applied this better and that's why I like it more, or do I like it more? So that's something for me to think about. But overall, the lace I would probably give like an 8. The texture of the hair is definitely like an 8.5. No shedding, no tangling, very big head friendly. Love that there's a comb in the back and an adjustable band. It did make it for a more seamless install. And it's important to note, you don't have to glue down the back. You just got to glue down the front. And you are cooking with gas, honey. But I'm feeling it. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts. I gave y'all a cute little updo. She's the vibe. She's the moment. Okay. I don't have nothing else to say. I gotta hit the road. My husband want to get a drink. He been working hard to keep this home afloat. And he told me he need a break today, so he need a drink, child. So we gonna make sure our husband get a damn drink. So thank you so much for joining your girlfriend again. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Do me a favor. Bust down, subscribe to this Mamie Tapman channel, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.